This one is a gown, a long gown. See the length, see? And you also have jackets. So wait, let me wear the jacket. So this is the jacket, you see? The jacket, you can use it and wear anything. So this is the jacket. You can use it and wear anything, see? How beautiful it is. This is it. 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 So this is the jacket. See? The jacket. This is down. That's jacket. It's very beautiful. This one is 8K. Up and down with jacket. Down with jackets. In case if you love this one, can I make also? Up and down. See the queen. Okay, this one is white. This one is off black. And the trouser is black. See? This is the black trouser. This one is 5K. This one is a gown, strap gown. See how beautiful it is in this gown. So this is a Celsius strap gown. You can wear it with jacket. You can wear it without jacket. It depends on how you do it. So this one only goes for 25. So it's up and down. See it? It's different white here. This is the trouser. So this one is 6K. So in case if you're interested in any of them, but these other ones are gone. So I don't know if you do wear them. And the skip and top that I have here, top and not skip and top will be too tight for you. So these are the two up and down that I entire once I will snap for that one. Is gown. All this drawing gown. So it's so beautiful and saucy. So this one is 4K. So in case you love it, you can let me know too.
You don't love finish now. Comment here. One love.